Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can increase or decrease the navigation bar swipe gestures sensitivity to lower or higher the sensitivity when you are using your phone with a case on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key or swipe up on the screen. Next, we're going to swipe down and tap on the settings icon, and then go down and tap on display. Then we want to go down and tap on navigation bar. In here, tap on swipe gestures. Once you tap on the swipe gestures, tap on more options, and then make sure that you choose swipe from size and bottom, because if you are choosing the top option, that feature is not available, so you need to choose swipe from size and bottom. In here, you can drag on the sensitivity bar to lower and then to higher. And as you can see, this will increase the sensitivity on the side here. So if I move lower, then you can see the sensitivity level is quite small. And as I move it to a higher sensitivity, you can see the blue vertical bar is getting wider, which means give you more of an area on the inside to so that it can feel that you actually move inwards from the side. So this action actually open up Google Assistant. So I'm just going to swipe across instead, and swiping across will allow you to go back to the previous screen or go to the back to the previous action. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.